is a tour of the lifts at Bristol Parkway station. All of the lifts are train station stannahs, and now to the first lift which goes down to the platforms for London and the Midlands. Okay, so this is a tour of the lifts.
Doors closing.
Bristol Parkway station. I'm keeping my fingers crossed because I'm hoping Grandma will be back at some point so I can film the car park lifts and the buses, but I don't know. There are some trains in, but I'm taking a break from filming them because,
Platform.
you know.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Just a STANNAH. It's a train station stand as well, which means it's extremely bad. Even the voice is bad.
Bridge link.
That's it.
Doors opening.
And now to the lift down to the platform for trains to Wales and Bristol.
Bridge link. Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
Again, here's another STANNAH down to the other platforms.
Platform. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Train there, going to Cardiff. And that's it. You guys are probably going to find it boring, but it's something to do.
Bridge link. Doors opening.
And now along to the station car park, where there is another STANNAH.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
But that's because they're STANNAH, isn't it?
Doors closing.
This is another train station STANNAH lift. I've been filming some buses. Not very many came, so that wasn't very good, but these are some STANNAH lifts at the Bristol Parkway station car park. Why do you install STANNAHs at a car park? Oh, I don't know.
Level 3.
Here we are at 3.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
There go the doors. And that's about it.
Level 0. Ground floor.
That's it.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
And now to the last lift, which is another STANNAH. All of the lifts are STANNAHs, so this is a STANNAH, isn't it? Which goes from the ticket hall up to the Footbridge.
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
This is the lift linking the ticket hall with the bridge and the car park. It's another Stannaah. This can be a last bit. So I've got to get the train. And it's just a Stannaah.
Bridge link.
Ooh, this way. That's it.
Doors opening.